First of all, I'm just gonna say to Best Pills, Arnel Castillo, why can't you just move on about Paulo Contis? About that show of Magpakailanman, that story of Wilbert Tolentino? Please, I'm saying to you, Best Pills, Arnel Castillo, do not include Wilbert Tolentino. Just like I said, Wilbert Tolentino, um, he's also contestant in ABS-CBN Showtime, The Pogay. That was 2017 or 2016, 2017, and 2018. At 2016, I was 19 years old. Or 2017, I was 20. And 2018, I was 21. Why can't you just make your own content? Content yourself, Best Pills. Arnel Castillo. However, if you mention about Wilbert Tolentino, please do not include Wilbert Tolentino. Do not include Gerald Santos, the friend of Ninong Michael. For me, Best Pills, Arnel Castillo. Do not include Wilbert Tolentino and Gerald Santos. You make them involved When are you gonna learn how to stop Best Pills? Arnel Castillo. Including Gerald Santos. You included him and even Wilbert Tolentino. You know, Best Pills, Arnel Castillo, you need to learn your lesson. Patrick Eason had already blocked you in Facebook. Oh. He says to you, you need to learn your lesson. Oh. That's really very shameless, Best Pills, Arnel Castillo. All you need to do, just remember, when you post pornography in your ex in Twitter, that is called in Twitter, or Twitter that was owned by Elon Musk. Oh, it's already prohibited. Oh, you know, there was a violation. Oh, Twitter has a community guidelines. You should never post pornography in X and Twitter. That's an adult content. Oh. For me, Best Pills, Arnel Castillo, why Twitter violated against the community guidelines? I'm saying to you, Best Pills, Arnel Castillo. That is an cybercrime. Alright? You don't know what is cybercrime. In US, there's cybercrime. Or here in the Philippines, we have a Cybercrime Prevention Act of 2012. Because you post pornography in Twitter. In Elon Musk X, Twitter. Oh. And now you can see it's a violated against community guidelines. Oh. You know, Best Pills, Arnel Castillo, you are a member of LGBT. Do not make a scandal in social media. You will be like Rodelio Daguman. Oh. You will be like Wilbert Tolentino. You know what is the word, my son, karma. Oh. You will get karma, Best Pills. However, you should be ashamed of yourself. Even you, Sergio Gino, you will get ashamed of yourself. Gina Sergio. Even even you make a bomb joke. Here in the Philippines is prohibiting a bomb joke. There was a presidential decree 1727. It's an anti bomb joke law. And you, Jeffrey Asedio, do not harass Shania Kiana. You don't know what is Anti-Safe Space Act or Anti-Bastos Law. For me, three of you need to learn how to stop. That's all you can do.